Okay, I'm opening this thing.
Go ahead.
Okay, it's a little stuck.
Oh man.
Okay, I can't get it out.
Do you need help?
It's really, because of the sugar, it's all stuck.
Well, you got one bee out. Do you need me to grab it?
You want to try?
And do you want to hold my phone and watch me get stung?
I got it. My glasses are fogging up. Here come the bees.
Alright, what are we doing here?
I'm taking the queen out. You want to see how many bees are in here? She's really stuck. Alright, so here's the queen. Look at it. Crazy. Excuse me.
So what do you have to do?
Alright.
You have to place it.
I can't see the screen. Alright, they're all feeding her right there, so that's perfect.
Well, don't. Here, let me space these out.
Yeah. So we have to hang her. These guys are all kind of in the way.
So just hang it right up there.
Yeah, but I have to. Do you see the bugs?
I know, it's
On my
crazy.
hand. How? I just don't want her to drop.
So make sure it's hung up there well, and then we'll bend it around that frame.
Yeah.
So just get that bee out of there.
Well, what bee? There's like 100.
So don't crush them. You can't crush
Ben,
them.
it's okay. They will move.
So then bend it, and there you go.
So that's good.
No,
Kind
maybe
of.
not.
Doesn't really want to stay.
So bend it. Hold on.
She's okay. Excuse me, bees. This isn't
Don't
a
like try
screen.
to press them in there. You need to bend that over more. Listen.
I think she's good.
No.
We can come tape it. That would be a good idea. It's okay. We'll leave her right here. She's not gonna fall, but she might fall.